everybody. Today's Saturday and the time is, what's the time? 11 a.m. And we have, who is here? We have Cami. Hi, Kamsi. Hi. Do you want to say hi to the vlog? Say hi. You're so cute. That's good. You got the message. They say hi to you all. Come see, say hi to you people. Anyway, so I'm about to just pump this morning. I think I kind of stopped pumping for a while, but I have to resume it because I need supply to be back up. So I'm just pumping now because I want to have some stash. All the ones I have pumped before were almost running out, so I have to resume it. Yeah, so I have to resume that. I'm gonna just pump now and then we'll see how today goes. Not much plan. Maybe go for grocery shopping later in the day, and that should be it for now. How you guys doing today? Hope everyone is doing fair and square. So just stay along with the vlog and let's see how this goes. I know pumping can be really tedious sometimes, so at some point I was like, I'm tired. I couldn't keep up. This is the pump I use the Medela Pump in style. Come see, let me film now. Let me just vlog this one. And this video is not sponsored. It's not sponsored by anybody. I'm just telling you guys in case you're wondering. I use the Medela Pump. Hey Jesus. And this is how it looks like. So it comes like it doesn't come with this flange. This one I had to buy separately because the flange has to fit you. It came with its own flanges, but they didn't fit me, so I had to get mine separately. And then the two these two bottles, there were 4 bottles that it came with. So yeah, that's how it is. And it has its own. The machine is here. Let me show you guys. So this is everything. That's how it comes, and I'll show you how it works. Hey, if you want to know. Come see, you're so excited. Hold on. Yeah, it comes with this as well. So this is the power supply thingy. So it's called the Medela Pump in style breast pump. And yeah, that's what I use. It has been nice. The only thing is that I have to hold it. You know, some people don't like to hold it. I have to hold it in my hand. Although I had the option of buying the bra that comes with it, but I didn't get to buy that. I didn't buy it. I was just okay because I'm just at home. I just do it when I'm sitting down and I just hold it and I'm pressing my phone if I want. So yeah, I'm trying to look for a way to put this thing so I can show you guys how this connects, how you can connect the pump. So yeah. So this is it here. So you plug this into the power, this thing, whatever it's called, into this white box, and then the cords attach itself to this side of one of the pumps and this one as well. So this is how you connect it. You connect it like that, okay, and then you can hold it and then start pumping. You know, you just press the power button. So it has the power button, it has the if you want to increase the suction, you press plus. If you want to reduce it, you press minus. And then this one is for the let down. So before you start pumping, of course, you know that it's supposed to be let down coming out. So you press that and then you can switch to this one. Although this one automatically switches from let down to the actual pumping session. Okay, I hope that makes sense. Yeah, but I really like it. It was very efficient for me, especially when my milk started coming out. It really helped to bring it out because the suction was suctioning. Yeah, so this is it. And sometimes it has a battery pad. It takes about 16 batteries and you can carry it along with you, right? And yeah, you should be good to go. So you don't have to always plug it in a power supply. You don't have to always be in the house. Even when you're going out, you can still use it. Okay, yeah, I hope that makes sense. So another thing that we have to do today is arrange this room. This comes this room, right? So now we're switching, and actually he's going to actually start sleeping here in his crib. So we have to get that ready. Because he was using this bassinet before. This bassinet, it was okay. I didn't just like this places, this part of it. Yeah, I didn't just like that, but this is how it comes. The forget this small stain, I'll have to clean it and then probably sell it on Facebook Market, something like that. That's the plan. So it's the Dream on Me one. It's good that you could cover it. That's another thing, especially in the summer. Let me show you. In the summer it was really nice. Please, our room, this room is messy. Oh, we're going to clean it and you will see our before and after. Yeah, so this is how in the summertime it was very handy. I'll not lie. I need to be seeing him there. Yeah, so this is what it looks like. Yeah, and I liked it because it did the job for us. Yeah, not bad at all. Nice one. It's from Walmart actually. Walmart sells it. That's where I got it. Anyhow, you guys, I just wanted to show you. And yeah, you can see everywhere is messy because the whole place, we have to arrange it again. Arrange all these clothes, arrange this. I think he has even arranged some of these things. Okay guys, so it's been about 5-6 minutes of pumping and I'll show you guys what I got from just pumping right now. Okay, this is what I got for someone who's trying to just bring up the supply, her supply. I got about 4 ounces on this side, and then I got about 3 and something ounces, 0.25 ounces of this one in ml. So this is about 120 ml, and then this is 90, about that. Yeah, so that's what I got. This one is a bit watery and this one is more creamy. Yeah, if you can see it here, let me show you so you can see. So that's how Medela marks it. You know, it's all marked out. You can always do your math yourself. Yeah, so that's not bad, honestly. And I just did this in like 5 minutes. It didn't even take long at all. And I got all of this for somebody that's trying to raise up the supply. Because back then, what I used to get, I'll get 2 of them for like really full at the top. You know, so that's like 10 ounces each. In fact, I'll even say about 12 ounces for both sides. That's what I used to get. You know, so now I'm just trying to bring it back up, just because he's about 6 months now. He'll be turning 6 months soon. That's like this coming week, and we'll be doing more solids, and then breast milk on the side. You know, just sometimes we're just switching with the breast milk as well. But I need to have some so I can be using it to make some of his food. That's why I'm trying to pump some more, then I can keep in the freezer. Okay. And build the stash up. Yeah, that's it, you guys. I hope you have learned from my breastfeeding 101 breastfeeding 101 class. So yeah, I like this pump. It's working. It works wonders. I like it. Anywho, over to what I'm gonna do next. Probably start fixing that room. That I'll show you guys about. I'll show you guys and then should be good to go. Let's get this day going. I'll stash this up in the freezer and then I'll be right back. So these are the bags I used, the storage bags. So I thought I was recording, but I wasn't actually recording. But this is it. I already poured it. I poured it in here into the storage bag, and you can see the dates allocated for both of them. So the same dates and time, because I did it at the same time. Yeah, and you want them to be flat like this when you are putting them into the freezer. Okay, and that's it. Okay. Just a quick update on what I plan on having here in this closet, in this shelf. So I used to have this newborn thing. So this is for newborn. I don't know if you can see that. And then I had 0 to 3, and then I have 3 to 6. So now he's grown past all of these sizes, right? So we're gonna have to take this out, although he still wears this clothes. I haven't just had time to arrange them, so I'm gonna do that right now, and then go from there. So these things like this will be on this other side, like the jackets, like the snow suits and all of that, this kind of things on this end, and anything that cannot fit here I will just take them over to this other side. Okay, yeah, so that's the plan for now. Let's do that. Fancy, what is that? What are you eating?
Merry Christmas, baby. Reindeer's coming out to play. Santa Claus is packing the presents, making sure you've been behaving okay. Merry Christmas, honey. Yeah. The snowman's dusting off his hat, putting on the show for everybody, to give them a smile that lasts another year. There's something that happens when sleigh bells are ringing, when December ends, when the children are singing, yeah. It's Merry Christmas, baby. Merry Christmas, baby.
My job has been interrupted. Because I had to back him. He was really crying too much, but now he's sleeping, so I'll just go put him to sleep. Yeah, but I have to finish. At least I've sorted out the 6 to 9 and the 9 to 12, 12 to 18. I've sorted those ones out, so I just have to fold some of the ones here, like this ones, and then put the place in order. Right, you can see it behind me. That's it. I've tried for today. Then arrange this other side of the room. Yeah, I'm tired. I'm getting tired because my work is being interrupted. I'm feeding him in between, and then Kenny tried to come and help me. Kenny made up his bed, and then he's packed some of these boxes as well. Yeah, so thank God for that. Thanks to hubby with Sabi. Yeah, so he helped me do that because he's also cleaning the other side of the house and the other rooms. So some of the clothes that he's not wearing anymore, like you saw the 3 to 6 and all of those ones, since he doesn't need them, I'm going to take them to Once Upon a Child or all these donation centers and then just give them there, so they can resell or whatever they want to do with it. Yeah, because the house is getting so full and we really need some space for things. So that's why we just like, you know what, we need more space. So anything that we don't want, we'll just take it out. Yeah, so I've put him to bed now. I just want to be fast, very quick.
Okay, at this point, I'm just taking out the garbage, I think.
this is the second to the last item on the to-do list for today, and your girl is really done. I'm done for the day. I just feel like sleeping, laying my head down, but we still had to go for grocery shopping, and mind you, I hadn't even eaten at this time. So I made myself some cereal, which I'm going to eat with have with some milk, and call it a day for breakfast. At this point, this is lunch. It's no longer breakfast again. Yeah, so I'm just here chatting with Kinney, and we're trying to organize our day about how we're gonna go. Rounding up and looking forward to what we're gonna go get in the store, and we can come back and cook and eat and then sleep. Okay, guys, I decided to come and have some breakfast. Okay, let's eat. So this is the last one I'm eating. This milk is from Costco. Yes, from Costco. And it's just Cheerios. It's already at 2 p.m. So I think I'm tired. I think I'm going to end the video here, and then we'll continue. We'll go for groceries after. I'll probably film that one in another video. And I took the last. This is the last Cheerios that is left. See, I'm going to finish it. I'm hungry like. Finished. I'm not adding milk, but this milk is like the needle peak milk. It's like that. Yeah, what is it? And then we'll go for groceries. I'll probably end the video here. I've tried for this morning. It's a busy Saturday. Very busy. Anyway, see guys, if you watch up to this point, make sure you like, subscribe to my channel. Okay, if you have not done so yet, I don't know what you're doing. I don't know, but it will be good if you can subscribe. Guys, it's currently 5:15 p.m. and we are going to Costco to do grocery at this time. I have to carry the baby out because it's only us now. Nobody to stay with him. So that's Costco.